What is up, everybody? It is your boy 310 back again with another video. It has officially been 1 week since I built my PC. I actually did a video on that, so if you haven't seen that, go ahead and check it out. It's actually my previous video. But yeah, I kind of wanted to check in, see what I've been doing since I've built my PC, and just go over what I've done in that week since I've built my PC. So yeah, before I get the actual video started, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Check out all the other videos that I've done, and if you like this video, well, give it a thumbs up, as it helps me out and it sort of helps with putting my video out into the YouTube world. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So yeah, right now I'm actually sitting on my computer desk, or my computer area, where I have everything set up, and I'm just gonna sit here and talk about everything I've done since I built my PC. So one of the first things I did after I booted the PC and the BIOS loaded up and everything turned on, I installed Windows, and everything with that went over smoothly. Now with Windows, I did actually install it onto a little thumb drive, put the thumb drive on my PC and installed Windows that way. And well, I have a working version of Windows with the, I got a serial number and everything. So Windows works, everything's working fine. The second thing I did, and this is after I installed Windows, was download all the drivers that I needed, all the programs that I needed, so that I can mess with the RGB and you know, get the drivers up to date, the GPU drivers, the CPU drivers, and all of that good stuff. So I downloaded all of that, and then after that, the third thing I did was kind of install some programs that I've kind of been fiddling with. I downloaded Steam so that I can download some games. I did download Apex and played that a little bit. So that's what I've done. And I also dabble in music production, so I installed Ableton Live 10 onto my PC. I just kind of opened it and made sure it was working, which it was. So basically that's all I've done as far as software goes. Just kind of installed everything that I needed and just kind of been playing around with whatever I have so far. Now, as far as my actual PC build is concerned, there wasn't anything wrong with it. Fans were working correctly. Everything was working smoothly. The one thing I did get a couple of comments on as far as my actual build was in regards to the placement of my radiator. Now for my case, which is the NZXT H510 Elite, I pretty much have no choice but to mount the radiator into the front of the case. So that's what I did. I can't do it on top because there's not enough ventilation for the radiator, so I mounted the radiator to the front. The one thing that people did notice was that the radiator was kind of mounted incorrectly. So what I did is I essentially opened up the case, flipped the radiator upside down, so not upside down, but where the pumps are facing down, so that basically I can get better airflow. And that's exactly what I did. I'll put some B-roll over what it looked like before and what it looks like now. The position of the radiator was basically changed. So that's pretty much the only thing I did in regards to my PC build. Like I said, everything else is running smoothly. So far, I haven't had any problems. Another thing that I did is cleaned up my desk here, and I'll show you guys what my desk looks like. It was pretty messy, so I essentially just cleaned around and move stuff around, and I think it looks a little better now. So why don't I show you guys what my desk actually looks like. So yeah, here's my desk area. It's one of those L-shaped desks that fits perfectly in the corner where I'm at. This is kind of one of those corners in my living room, and I've set up shop here. So if you start from the left, I have studio monitors, one on the left and one on the right. And these are the PreSonus Aris 3.5s. They are small studio monitors, but they do get the job done. Like I said before, I do dabble in music productions. These are great and have pretty solid audio. And yeah, I actually like them. They sound pretty good. And then the monitor that I have here is the LG 29-inch widescreen. I don't know the exact name of it, but that's what it is. It is a 1080p, 75 Hertz. Not really ideal for gaming, but mostly for productivity. I do plan to get a second screen, so stay tuned for that. For now, this will do. Now, if you move over to the bot, or if you move down, I have the Razer Huntsman Elite, a nice keyboard with this little rest pad that kind of comes off, and it's magnetic, so boom, just stick it on there. And I have my color scheme that matches my PC, which I will get into right now. And then the mouse is the oh god, the Razer Ornata, is that the name of it? And it's a wireless mouse that's battery powered, and so far it's been working really well. Now if you move over to this side, there's the baby right there. Oh my god, the studio monitor is blocking the name, but the name of my PC is FreezeOut, and I kind of went with the blue icy color scheme there. And the reason I called it FreezeOut, just kind of a quick history, I thought it was a cool name. This is actually an inspiration of when Michael Jordan made the All-Star game his rookie year. The other players essentially tried to freeze him out of the game by not letting them get rebounds, things like that, sort of to teach him a lesson. I know it was something to do with him wanting to advertise his new Jordans or something like that, and that didn't sit well with all the other players, so that's where the name FreezeOut comes from, and I kind of thought it was a cool name for my color scheme. And then there's the front fans. Then if you move over to the right, there's my PS5, which I do plan to use for gaming and streaming, and there's the remote right there. And yeah, I haven't really played much with my PS5, but I do plan on playing it more soon and streaming for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and hopefully I get to streaming soon. And then down here, let's move my remote. This is the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. I think it's the 2nd generation. This is the audio interface that lets me control all audio from my computer. There's 2 XLR ports there so that I can plug in microphones. And this knob right here controls the volume of the studio monitors. So yeah, it's pretty solid audio interface, and basically an all-in-one station to control my audio. And then to the right here, just some little accent pieces, the Ultimate Sneaker book by Sneaker Freaker, and the Virgil Abloh Icons book. Rest in peace to Virgil Abloh, by the way. Yeah, those are the books that are here. And then down here I got some shelving, just a bunch of Dodger memorabilia, and the little homie Gerald just chilling. And then down here I have a MIDI controller or MIDI keyboard, drum pad thing, and then a microphone down there, which I will be using soon. And then right here is my Ableton Push, which works well with Ableton Live, so definitely use this for making beats. So yeah, that's pretty much what my desk setup looks like. It's not perfect, but this will do for now. It's something to get me started, and you know, my PC is right there looking kind of clean. So yeah, I think that'll pretty much do it for this video. Just kind of wanted to show you guys what I've done in the past week since I've built my PC. I thought that'd be a pretty cool video. Just kind of glad that I was able to clean up my desk and set everything up and start upgrading my system as I go. Now the next thing I guess I want to buy is a second monitor so that I can start doing live streams with gaming, and then from there, I mean, there's definitely lots of things that I want to buy. But for right now, I'm happy with my current setup. I'm going to start using my PC more for more music production, for live streaming. That includes like me gaming and me just doing regular live streams, maybe reactions to things or just anything in general that I can think of. My content mostly consists of sneaker related content, so I might do live cops, sneaker reviews. That's sort of my forte or my area of expertise, if you will. And I also do Disney vlogs. My girlfriend and I have annual Disney passes, so we go to Disney pretty often, and sometimes I'll do vlogs at the parks. So yeah, that's also the type of content that I do. And yeah, maybe I'll get more into the tech community or the PC community. Again, that's not really the type of content that I do, but who knows, maybe I'll start doing that type of content too. But yeah, that'll do it for this video. I hope you stuck around for the entire video. If you can, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, as it would help your boy out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I post new stuff. So yeah, I'll end the video here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.